Welcome back to my channel. I am Forever Mimi, coming to you with a taste test on the Nature's Valley sweet and sour. I'm reading it backwards. Salty nut granola bar. Now this has chocolate, dark chocolate, peanut butter, and almonds. And the bar itself is 170 calories. And it has 6 bars in it. That's still a I don't know. I can't say if that's a lot or not. Okay. So we're going to open this up. And I do have my... I'm drinking the white grape juice, which is I should be drinking some water. And yeah, that's all I'm drinking. Is that much. So here is the packaging on the here. I still end up opening it with my... Okay, here is the front of the bar. Here's the back of the bar. And let me get a napkin here because I'm getting ready to, I'm going to cut this in half because I'm not going to eat all this. Okay. I'm just going to eat maybe about that much. Okay. That's all I'm eating, y'all. Don't eat too much. It's good, y'all. You taste everything. You taste the chocolate. You taste all of the granola, the granola, the seeds, the almond. You taste everything. Woo! Let me get something to drink, y'all. If you like this video, thumbs it up. And let me know if you have tried these before. And how do you like them? I like them. It's just a lot of stuff in it. And y'all see it, I'm having a hard time chewing it. But otherwise, ooh, it's good. I give it a 9. I give it a 9. So this is the end of the taste test. If you like this video, thumbs it up. Like, comment, come on over and join me. And I will see you all on another video.